Hi, my name is Ro, and for 25 years, the Friends of the Lost River Cave organization has worked to restore and protect this great community treasure. Now, we are beginning what we believe is an exciting new phase. As you know, Lost River Cave plays a unique role in the community, offering over 70 acres of meadows, woodlands, wetlands, wildlife, and prairie, not to mention a great cave. It all serves as an urban retreat, ideal for exploration, play, and learning. The Friends organization is committed to connecting all families and children to nature because we believe we're really facing a crisis. Just a couple of generations ago, nature was an integral part of growing up. But we've chipped away at that so much that the fact that kids spend 90% of their time indoors seems normal. Somehow, society has lost sight of nature's value to our lives. In our busy, technology-driven, and overscheduled lives, for so many people, there doesn't seem to be time for the benefits unstructured play outdoors can provide. Despite the growing body of research and plain common sense that tells of the importance of nature and unstructured play to the healthy development of our children, we're not getting our kids outside. Why should we care? These sobering numbers tell the story. Kids these days spend well over 50 hours per week plugged in, and 90% of their time indoors. The rates of childhood obesity and being severely overweight have increased from 4% in the 60s to about 20% today. Preschoolers are the fastest growing market for antidepressants. But there is hope. What we plan to do is put this great natural resource to work for the community, connecting children and families to the natural world for their health, both mental and physical. Through this campaign, we are mobilizing people to join the Children in Nature movement. Community feedback has been tremendous, and we're asking for your support today to create change in our community.
There's a major misconception among children, parents, and some teachers that nature is dangerous. The forest floor is far softer than any concrete sidewalk or gravel-covered playground. The animals will run away from you, not towards you, and insects will fly away. They tend to their own business and don't interfere with what the humans are doing. Teaching in a natural setting affords many opportunities for student success. Children are naturally curious in elementary grades, but because lessons often lack the opportunity for exploration, children lose this curiosity by middle school. Natural settings enhance and extend this discovery phase of learning. Concern for and knowledge about the environment has declined since the 1990s. Children do not even know the local flora and fauna and have an unnatural fear of things that live outdoors. Getting them outside allows them to find out for themselves that plants and bugs are quite interesting. Research from the Children and Nature Network reports that 86% of the children questioned believe that doing things in nature is cool. But there's a positive flip side. Schools who use the environment as a context for teaching all subjects report higher test scores in reading, writing, math, science, and social studies, reduced discipline and classroom management problems, increased student engagement and enthusiasm for learning, and a greater pride and ownership in the students' accomplishments.
You don't have to take a trip to Yellowstone. The emphasis now is on nearby nature. It's about paying attention to the nature right around us.
Nature Movement.
I am the Children and 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 Nature Movement.
I am
The Children
And Nature
Movement.